We are not politically correct in Poland. You asked for it and here you have it. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Agnes and today I'm going to show you a Polish cake which will contain this. I think I have to hide it because I'm not sure what YouTube is going to think about it. It's a Polish sweet recipe for a Polish cake, Polish chocolate cake, but different than anyone you've seen, I think. Also, this cake is called Murzynek, so I will show you how to bake Murzynek, and I'm also not sure if I can translate what it means, because it is nowadays a racist word. But basically this cake is called a little black man, or a small black man. So that's that. We are not politically correct in Poland. The name of the cake is not my fault, that's the name of the cake. So let's get started. And I said that you asked for it, for a Polish sweet recipe. If you want, I have a community post on my YouTube channel where I asked what kind of videos you would like to see, and a few people wanted some more cooking videos or baking videos. You can also comment down below under this video if there's anything that you would like to see on my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. So, first of all, we are going to boil 3 ingredients for 3 minutes. So I will add them into this pan. That is 1 glass of sugar. You will see all the ingredients on the screen. So 1 glass of sugar, 5 tablespoons of cacao, and 150 grams of butter. So I have here a little less than 200, so I will cut a little. And in the pan, and let it boil for 3 minutes. This is a traditional Polish recipe, old-fashioned. So you boil things for the cake. A lot of Polish cake take hours to prepare. This is quite easy, but different with a twist. I hope you will enjoy it. Actually, I'm preparing it for my name's day, so it's going to be very nice. It's boiling slowly, so let it boil for 4 minutes. And I will prepare now the other stuff. I turned off the boiling chocolate mixture. I've got already a form prepared. I use a bread form, or an old bread form. That's the shape you're looking for. I'm going to add 3 eggs now, and flour and other things, while the mixture over there is cooling off. Hello! Cześć, Safruś. Co ty? Very yummy. Next, I'm adding 1 glass of milk. Ideally, you would use cow milk. I'm using vegan milk. I had a little left of the oat milk, and now I have some rice milk. Doesn't really matter, but don't add goat milk or sheep milk because the taste will be awful. But any other, I would go with milks that don't taste too much. 1 glass of milk, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 250 grams of wheat flour. And 2 more things. This is the mixture of milk, egg, flour, baking powder, and I will add now the chocolate mixture that was boiling, and raisins and vodka. You heard it right. I have here, I don't know, you see, almost a glass full of raisins that I soaked in water. I'm going to cut them and add them, and soon we're going to finish. It smells divinely of that chocolate in the whole kitchen. We love to add raisins to many cakes. Not everyone, of course. It depends, but in this one the raisins enhance the taste. I added the chocolate mixture. I will mix it well and talk to you after that. So now for the last ingredient. It's vodka. You could also use pure spirit. Yes, in Poland we do sometimes add alcohol into our cakes. I could have soaked the raisins in vodka, like for a stronger punch. It's a little bit different if you just add it into the butter or if you soak the raisins and add it like that. The raisins are very strong then, and I opted out from this option. So I will add around 2 tablespoons of vodka, and that's the finishing touch for the cake. All strong and nice. I will actually add a little bit more. It needs a stronger punch. Half a spoon. I preheated the oven around 45 minutes, 40 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. This is the chocolate cake Murzynek, the little black man.